बिलीफ सिस्टम इज जस्ट दैट कि मोटे से हाथी को पतली रस्सी से बांधा हुआ है और वो भागने की कोशिश ही नहीं करता, बिकॉज उसके हिसाब से ये मोटी चेन है. यू आर इन द सिमिलर सिचुएशन वेर यू आर अ बिग एलिफेंट नाउ, एंड दीज बिलीव्स of given by other people are like patla rassi. We have to break free.
So what is the mantra that one can have to be happy and content with what they have? This is the first thing that we would want to hear from you and to know from you.
So we feel that happiness is goal of life. We want to buy and wear good clothes, jewelry, have cars, want to be successful, famous. And we all think, this is what is going to give me happiness. So happiness can never be goal of life, because goal is something where you achieve and then it goes forward, and you achieve and it goes forward. Happiness has to be state of being, like a child. We all love children. Na? Bacha aapko koi baat buri bhi bol deta, you don't take it to the heart. You don't take it to the heart because the child is so bubbly, the child is so spontaneous, the child is so honest. And basic quality of a child is that a child is happy without a reason. A child can just look and smile at you, even if the child doesn't know you, and that makes your day, that makes you feel special. So being happy is a state of mind, it's a state of being, and we were all given that, we were all gifted that. But now it has suddenly become a goal. जैसे किसी चीज को पाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. It is just a state of being, and it's not very difficult to practice. It's not very difficult to have it also. It's just that, do you want it? Sometimes we become so stress oriented कि लगता है कि यार happiness तो temporary है, it's just a little fixation, it is just like this. That's not how it should be. The simplest things that we can do, the simplest things that we can achieve by being happy, by being prosperous, is tiny little things. For example, when you look at a flower, when you look at a tree, you just look and sometimes you feel, say, wow, so nice. If you have that spontaneity in your life every time, things will be so different. Let me give you an example. If you go and see and go for a trip to a foreign land, aap Dubai ja rahe hain, London ja rahe hain, anywhere that you're going, you're so excited. You look out of the car, you look out of the bus, you look out of everywhere to absorb maximum thing. And when you look at something with so much of 100% in it, it gives you happiness. But when you drive down from your college to your home, or from your work to your home, you just walk like a zombie. कुछ पता नहीं चलता कब left लिया, कब right लिया, दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, and we reach. So if you are aware, you can be happy as much as you want to be. And it is something which makes you very positive. All of us want to be around positive people, be it a doctor, be it a lawyer, astrologer, teacher, anybody who's positive. We like to sit with them, we like to spend time with them. Similarly, when you are happy, you become more positive, and people will like you more. They would like to spend time with you. You will become addictive. They would want you around all the time. It only happens once you are aware. So just little more awareness, and don't live life like a zombie. क्या खा रहे हैं पता नहीं, कितना खा रहे हैं पता नहीं, television देखा पता नहीं. Just little awareness, and I think it is very, very much attainable. It's a state that you have to be. We all should be in.
Yes, I think very rightly said, ma'am. Like we actually behave like zombies many a times. We are going to the office. We don't know. We just remember the way through it. We reach there. We start working. Yeah, you very rightly said that it is within us. We have to just find it out. And also, these tough times, we have seen last 2 years were under pandemic. So people have seen lot of worse things in their life. What is your suggestion to people to be motivated and feel motivated in tough times like the current pandemic situation?
See, I completely agree to that. I would not deny that the time has not been very great. It has been a tough time. But it is a personal choice that we make. So just a question, because all of you can see me. How do you feel I look right now? Do I look positive? Do I look happy? Do I look contented? Do I look healthy? Do you feel all that with me right now?
Yeah, you seem to us very content, happy, beautiful.
Then you must know that I am right now COVID positive. It's been my 4th day and I'm here quarantined in this place. And, when we go through this emotion, it's not a great feeling initially because we just feel too tied down. But then eventually, within 1 or 2 minutes, it's not that you will always feel great about things. But the moment you have that emotion of depressing, going down, feeling low, one has to instantly make a choice, that this is what I have right now. If life is throwing lemons at you, you make a lemonade out of it. I could have had a choice of canceling the session. Say, maybe I'm not feeling too great. I'm not in good phase of mind right now. I just need more space. We will see when do we have to do it. Or I had a choice to do my work, dress up, look better, have some books, read something, do things that I've been always wanting to do when I thought that ye time hoga to tabhi karungi. So it's a choice that we all make. So I agree that it's not a great time, but it is what it is. Just by your thinking negative, time is not going to change. जो चल रहा है वो चल रहा है. आपको कितनी भी सर्दी लगी, अगर बाहर सर्दी का मौसम है तो फिर वो अपने सीजन के हिसाब से ही जाएगा. Your worrying, your shivering is not going to help. All you can do is just think positive and keep yourself warm. This is what exactly we need to do in this situation. It might be a time when you feel very restrained, very restrictive, frustration होती है एक जगह पर बैठकर. Or this is the time when you can actually be with yourself, enjoy the solitude, and do things that you always wanted to do. Another question, because all of you are very young people here. We all want somebody in our life to love us unconditionally, be it a boyfriend, girlfriend. Chalo, parents to hame karte hi hain because we're born out of them. But we want somebody to love us unconditionally, somebody who's always there around us when we need, somebody who can always listen to us, somebody who can care for us. We want someone to be there always. But do we do that to ourselves? This is my question to you. Most of you might have gone through COVID. This is my first time. And, there have been realizations that it's suddenly you feel as if the whole world is revolving around you. You have to take care of yourself. You have to see how are you feeling. You have to note down your own, things. You just have to do everything on your own. Now, the moment you start enjoying your company, you suddenly feel everybody also starts enjoying your company. Every relationship that we see in life is reflective of how we treat ourselves. So it is difficult times. It is something that all of us as a human race going through, but it will take its own time to go. It will take a couple of few more weeks and months to eventually go from our system and yet be there like cold and flu and like all of those things which have sustained and we have coexisted with them. We as a human race have always been superior. We have outgrown every situation, be it dinosaurs, plague, or any other thing. We'll also go through this. But what you do here will always remain with you. So even if you're sitting, like a simple exercise for all of you are young. This is something that I practice myself. Each month, on 1st of every month, I delete one negative word from my vocabulary. Like I've never used since years now, a word called exhausted for myself, tired for myself. I don't use this word exhausted, tired, unhappy, sad, sick. That's not what I use. If you also can drop one consecutive negative word that you use in your vocabulary once a month on the 1st, it's like you give a charity to the universe that this thing doesn't exist for me. It will just give you a more self-control over yourself. You will realize that how with our words we create world. So world and word came from the same root. जो आप बोलते हैं वो होता है. In our system we also say सोच समझ कर बोलो, कब जबान पर सरस्वती बैठे मालूम नहीं. So this is truth. What you spell. That's why you've heard a saying called cast a spell. Spell is like like a spell, like a magic, like spell. And then there's a word called spelling. So whatever you write, whatever you speak, it's casting a spell. Every word has a secret meaning behind it. But are you aware enough to see? If you use bad words for yourself with your own action in the verbal form, oh, I'm feeling so bored, I'm feeling so tired, and I just don't feel like doing anything. It happens. It's getting manifested. So use right words for yourself. Once you use right things start happening to you.
Right, I think very rightly said, ma'am. And first of all, may you get well very soon.
Oh
And
yeah, I'll be.
it
I still have to
does
live a
not
bit.
look at all. Looking at you, we cannot say that you are in quarantine. You're looking absolutely stunning. And yes, very good advice for the students. These words, many a times we hear our students, they say, we are tired, we cannot complete this work. But yes, we should just eliminate these words from our dictionary. Yeah, now since we were talking about students, many times we feel that days are not, they are not same all times. Many a times we feel lazy, we feel not motivated enough to work. How do you suggest one should get that enthusiasm, that kind of energy to work, as in when this laziness kicks in? So this happens a lot of time.
So the dichotomy that we all are in and what is happening to us is that I think all of you here listening to me would have experience of being close to plants. है ना, कभी एक आधे पौधे को तो लाइफ में पानी दिया ही होगा आपने. And you see when a season comes, पत्ते आते हैं, फूल आते हैं, फ्रूट्स आते हैं, गिर जाते हैं, फिर आते हैं, फिर गिर जाते हैं. So when we see a tree, हमें एक चीज समझ में आती है कि इसमें पत्ते का कोई रोल नहीं है. Of course they look beautiful, they add the whole glamour and enamor to a plant or a tree. लेकिन इसको खाली पानी देने से, खाद देने से कुछ नहीं होगा. The roots are the main key. Similarly with us, it is our subconscious mind. हम सबको समझ में आता है डिसिप्लिन होना जरूरी है सक्सेस के लिए, हार्ड वर्किंग होना जरूरी है सक्सेस के लिए, परसिस्टेंस चाहिए सक्सेस के लिए. हमें सबको समझ में आता है. यू नो, वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड इट. द क्वेश्चन इज, कैन यू फॉलो इट? क्या आप इसको कर पा रहे हैं? सोच रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, सब कुछ ठीक है, बट हो रहा है क्या? ये कर पा रहे हैं? वॉट वी लिसन फ्रॉम, अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आपको बात समझ में आ रही है. व्हेन वी टॉक, when we listen, it's our conscious mind that is working. It's like a door. But इस door के पीछे बहुत सारे तहखाने हैं. इसमें कम से कम 8 या 9 दरवाजे और हैं. अब 9th दरवाजे तक ये बात पहुंच रही है कि नहीं पहुंच रही है? अगर उस दरवाजे तक बात पहुंच रही है, which is your subconscious mind, then anything that you listen, you want to do, you want to change, it will automatically change. तो हम बार बार किसी की बात सुनते हैं, बड़े मोटिवेट होते हैं, यार ये करना है. 4 दिन बाद वो टायर से हवा निकलती है, फिर वापस वहीं. और हम कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं करते कि यार 3 दिन तक तो सब समझ में आया मुझे, 4th डे क्या हो गया? क्योंकि एक लेयर के बाद वो बात पहुंच ही नहीं रही है जहां चेंज करना है. आप पत्तों को पानी दे रहे हैं, रूट को पानी नहीं देंगे तो कैसे बात बनेगी? देयर इज नो मैकेनिज्म जहां लीव से रूट तक पानी जाए, बट देयर इज अ मैकेनिज्म जहां रूट से लीव तक पानी जाए. तो रूट जो है आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है, बट देन व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव, हाउ डू यू मेक इट रीच योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड? दैट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन एंड दैट्स द होल ट्रिक बिहाइंड इट. People say you must have great willpower, you must visualize, you know, what you visualize happens and becomes truth. It's fine, but in our shastra, जिसको हम law of attraction बोलते हैं, this has been so beautifully described. It's just not your willpower that make you change things. There are 3 kind of powers जिसके mixture से ये चीज बनती है. The first is willpower, जिसको हम इच्छा शक्ति बोलते हैं. The second is ज्ञान power, ज्ञान शक्ति. ज्ञान शक्ति is having wisdom of what you're wanting is right for you or not. Oh, I like this beautiful girl and I want it. What if she fights with you day in and out? पहले जान लो, फिर मांग लो. So इच्छा शक्ति, but without ज्ञान शक्ति or without having knowledge, right knowledge is just going to make you fall in a pit. I want to be coolest person in my class. Well, for being the coolest person in your class, do you have to smoke to impress people and affect your lungs? Then you don't have right knowledge how to be the coolest person. So knowledge and then willpower. But after willpower, what? It is Kriya Shakti. It is the right action of taking and doing something about it. So rightly asked that we feel motivated, but then how do we make it like a gear system ki ye automatic chale? The only way is repetition. जैसे कबीर का दोहा था ना, where you take the water out from the well, तो जो रस्सी का निशान डल डल कर पत्थर पर भी निशान पड़ जाता है. Our subconscious mind is also like that. When you repeat something, इसीलिए सब धर्म में मंत्र बोले गए, ये चैंटिंग, इस वाली चैंटिंग से बुखार जाएगा, इस वाली चैंटिंग से हेल्थ ठीक रहेगी. So when you repeat an affirmation that I am I'm motivated to get up early. I am motivated to do that. When you repeatedly do, you repeatedly talk to yourself, it becomes engraved in the deepest part of your mind. And that's where you start getting results. So results don't happen once you once try and sit. You have to keep doing and doing and doing and doing and doing till it becomes part of you. And that is how, जब हम stamina भी build करते हैं, running करते हैं, तो ऐसे होता है ना, एक दिन 1 किलोमीटर, फिर 1.25 किलोमीटर, फिर लगता है बस हो गई, फिर अचानक एक दिन 1.5 किलोमीटर, 2, 5, 10, and then finally you can run a marathon. You don't have to stop. You just have to keep going. And the easiest tip I can give all of you is that अगर आप सुबह अलार्म लगाकर उठते हैं और उसमें स्नूज का ऑप्शन है और आप उठकर स्नूज बटन दबा देते हैं and then you sleep again and then again the alarm rings and you snooze again, you have to stop that. If you don't take your guidance or your instruction seriously, अगर आपका ब्रेन आप ही की इंस्ट्रक्शन को कहेगा ये तो बकवास आदमी कह रहा है 5:15 उठना है, फिर स्नूज दबाता रहेगा और 6 बजे उठेगा, your brain will never take your goals also seriously. Start with smaller habits of अगर कम खाना है तो कम खाना है, मीठा सामने पड़ा है नहीं छूना तो नहीं छूना, अल्कोहल डिसाइड कर लिया नहीं लेनी, सामने रखी है नहीं टच करनी तो नहीं टच करनी. Start with smaller things in life and slowly and gradually your self control will be so beautiful that anything that you want to have or want to do will just start happening like this. But let's start with smaller things first, no? Baby steps.
Right, baby steps and then forward. So yes, willpower, wisdom, right action. Yes, ma'am, very rightly said. And ma'am, this webinar is, as we all know, that we are talking about believing in yourself, and this webinar is Leading Lights, and it's all about believing in yourself. So can you give us some more light on this? Can you just talk to the students as to how they should, when we say believing in yourself?
So 99% of everybody that we're sitting here with, they don't believe in ourselves. They don't believe in themselves. We want others to believe in us. And then we realize, ki, Acha, now I believe in myself. Oh, you're not looking good in this outfit. Great. No matter how much mind I placed my mind into buying this, getting ready, getting dressed. Somebody just saying a negative comment and everything falls down. Earthquake jaise sab niche gir jata hai. So if you don't believe in what you like, if you don't believe in what you do, if you don't believe in small things, you will not believe in the bigger things. And we believe that appreciation and acknowledgement from other people can only make it more sure of it. No, that's not the right way. The way that you can believe in yourself is that by looking into your eyes. So this is a beautiful practice which you can do in sharpening your brain and understanding and creating more belief in yourself. हम जब छोटे होते हैं तो हमें जितनी भी नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म या अफर्मेशन मिलता है देखकर, तुम्हारा नाक मोटा है, तुम्हारी स्किन अच्छी नहीं है, तुम पढ़ाई में उतने अच्छे नहीं हो, तुम्हारा ब्रदर बेटर करता है. So all these statements that are told to us over the time as we grow from different people who are supposedly close to us, it just hurts us somewhere here. And then that becomes a belief system. Belief system is just that कि मोटे से हाथी को पतली रस्सी से बांधा हुआ है और वो भागने की कोशिश ही नहीं करता because उसके हिसाब से ये मोटी चेन है. You are in the similar situation where you're a big elephant now and these beliefs given by other people are like पतला रस्सी. We have to break free. आप समझ रहे हैं लेकिन करेंगे कैसे? It will only happen once you create newer belief system. गंदे पानी को साफ करने के लिए बर्तन उल्टा भी कर देंगे तो भी कुछ मड स्टेन्स रह जाएंगे. उसमें साफ पानी पोर करते रहेंगे तो इवेंचुअली गंद बाहर निकल जाएगा. Each day look at yourself in the mirror without blinking your eyes. मतलब आंख blink नहीं करना है. Keep looking at yourself and then give new affirmations to yourself. I am the best. I can do very well for myself. और सिर्फ हवा में बातें नहीं बोलनी है. Give yourself specific measurable unit. SMU. मुझे 2025 तक 50 लाख रुपए महीना कमाना है. मुझे इतना फेम चाहिए कि मेरा नाम इस मैगजीन में आए. ये इंसान मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए आए. Just look at yourself and keep saying and saying and saying. थोड़ा थोड़ा पैरट जैसा बनना पड़ेगा. Repetitive thing. Fake it till you make it. So make new belief systems, but just by looking into your eyes, the easiest way where it can just penetrate in your system, and you will feel much better and much more positive. And it's remarkable. It's very, very experimented technique, and it always gives amazing results. Just try it out. हम खुद को शीशे में देख के कभी अप्रिशिएट करते ही नहीं. All we see is that ये गड़बड़ हो गई, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है. Stop it. It's time that you use mirror the right way.